Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video, we're going to be going over Teccpo's 20-volt leaf blower. So it's a 20-volt leaf blower that's going to take a 20-volt lithium battery, and it comes with a 2 milliamp battery. We'll go over how long this battery will last you here in just a few minutes. It's a 20-volt 9,000 or a 15,000 RPM, and it's 85 miles per hour. And where they get the different RPMs is that it has a switch right up here on the top, and the decibels on this is really low. It's 87 decibels. Before we get out here and start using it, I want to go over one thing with you. As you know, that we did the review on the jigsaw, the 20-volt jigsaw that came with this battery right here, but this battery will not fit in this leaf blower. This battery that came with the leaf blower will fit in the charger. You'll see that there is some 3 prongs right here, and that's exactly what this has got. But let me show you the difference in the batteries. You may be able to do something with it, like cut a notch in it, modify it somehow, but that's what's stopping it, is this right here. See, this has got a notch in it and that one doesn't. That's what's stopping it from going into the leaf blower. I don't know how you would want to cut a notch in there, but if you do have, I don't know how many of their products is like this. I know the 40-volt chainsaw and the 40-volt leaf blower are both interchangeable on the batteries, but these, for some reason, they're not, and they look almost identical. You know, they're both Teccpo, they're both 20-volt, and they're both 2 amp-hour batteries, but they don't interchange. Now, we'll take this thing outside and check it out, and then I'll tell you how long the battery life lasts on this. Hey, as we're walking up here, I just want to tell you that this leaf blower is good for one thing, and about one thing only. But I want to show you what it's going to do with the leaves here. So you see I've got some leaves, and we're going to turn it on and see how loud it is. That's on high. That's on low. It just doesn't have what it takes to be able to get inside the grass and get the leaves out. But let me show you what it is good for. It works okay for blowing off decks. It works okay for blowing off driveways, job site work areas, part of your carport. But as far as blowing leaves, it doesn't really do that great. It just doesn't have the power that it needs to have, you know. And the battery lasts around 12 minutes. That's it. So if you're going to use it for blowing off areas like I talked about, flat surface areas that are smooth like driveways and decks and carports, that'd be great. But who's going to blow leaves for 12 minutes? Not me. Teccpo did send this to me, and I want to say thanks to Teccpo for sending this to me. I think it's a good product. I just don't think it's good for leaves, but it is pretty good as a blower. This is a blower, and they call it a 20-volt leaf, or they call it a 20-volt sweeper. So yeah, it does do good for sweeping, but it's not for leaves. This does not work for leaves. And we will be trying out the 40-volt Teccpo in another video. Stay tuned for that. If you like this video, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now. And you come back, yeah?